My God.
You want to lick his face?
No, Nick. No, you better not. I got a video going on now.
Oh, you should open the top.
No, that one. I'm not doing.
Look.
Oh my God, if he spits up on me. Oh, come on. Danielle. He's on top of
Take
me.
pictures.
I'm videoing it. Oh my God.
Molly, you want to feed him?
Look how big his eyes are.
It's okay. Molly, you want to try?
Holy
Molly,
cow.
why don't you feed him?
Oh, hi there. Whoop. Don't throw up on me, please.
Here, Molly. Give him this.
A little higher, Molly. A little higher. Oh, yeah. Good job, Molly. Oh.
Take a picture of me and Molly feeding him.
I'm taking a video, babe.
Okay.
No.
You want to do it again?
No.
Oh, that smells horrible. Okay, that's it.